afternoon. Got a thunderstorm bearing down on us. Today is day 28 for me, Christoph. Reaper Challenge, SCA, Dusty Trails 4x4, and thunderstorm bearing down. So I wanted to get the 100 in real quick, but I also wanted to show you something I was doing earlier today. This is a 1-inch by 4 feet solid stainless steel wrecking bar. I don't know how much it weighs. I don't know, 20 pounds maybe. It's heavy. But also know that if you use it for slow, great sword practice. That you really get a workout. So I was 25, I'll do the rest with my polypropylene. That's heavy. That's about 110 if you count this thing. Thank you for watching. Stay out of the lightning. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.